这个龙来自百老汇经典音乐剧《狮子王》，改编迪士尼的动画电影，伫世界各国演出超过21年。今年7月要过来台湾演出，3位主角特别来台湾宣传。
鲜艳的面部彩绘加上特色的服装，伊是《狮子王》音乐剧中第一位出场的角色——钟楼巫师拉菲奇。第一次来到台湾的佐德瓦穆拉斯，甲《狮子王》当中的男女主角演辛巴的乔登肖，甲演娜拉的阿曼达库内内，用精彩演出。预告今年7月20日开始，有19场《狮子王》音乐剧，甲台湾的观众见面。
I think the most challenging part of playing Nala is her strength. And I feel as if I'm learning so much from this character, a lot about confidence as well.
Simba, he's adolescent, he's young, and there's a lot of physicality that goes into the movement and marrying between the human, which I am, and a lion.
二顶一次，《狮子王》音乐剧来台湾已经过11档。
This time, Taiwanese audiences will get to see a brand new cast, multicultural and diverse in a way like we've never had before.
Which means that you're aware of the human, you're not trying to hide the human, but off their body might be a cheetah. And you see the manipulation.
这部百老汇史上第3长寿的音乐剧，由首位当年奖女导演朱莉泰莫用全新的视角一手打造，会呈现出什么款的视觉震撼，嘛使人期待。